Okay, I thought I'd do a little video on the Pontiac and the little Chevy 4-cylinder cylinder heads. There's just not that much out there on the internet about these motors anymore. This is the aluminum Pontiac Super Duty head they call the 437. This is the stock cast iron cylinder head. This is an early 80s head. I think it's called the 522. They came with about 1.7 intakes, 1.4 something exhaust. This one's had quite a bit of port work done to it over time. I've run this head. It'll do about 80% of what the aluminum head will do. You can see the ports. Been taken out quite a bit. Matched up to a Hillborn fuel injection unit. You can see the valve bowls. That's a 1940 intake. These are Manleys. 1.6 titanium exhaust. I believe those are Del West. You can see the port. You can do pretty good with these. It's got a 55cc chamber. Now, of course, if you can find one of these, and they pop up on eBay. Sometimes you'll see one on Indiana Open Wheel. You definitely want one of these if you can find one. You can see pretty healthy ports. These are 2.1 titanium intakes, 1.6 titanium exhaust. Head's O-ringed, of course. I measured this chamber at 50 cc. This chamber measured out at 55. As you can see, the exhaust ports have been raised quite a bit. These exhaust ports have been raised up about as far as you can go with the stock head. A little JB weld in the center there to shape up that stock configuration. The 1.7 valve that was on these heads would drop down in the bowl. Now they've been opened up quite a bit. It takes a lot of work to get one this far, but it makes a good spare. I've actually run this head. Anyway, for you guys still fooling with the little 2.5 GM, thought I'd put this out there because there's really not that much on the internet anymore. Good day.